Hello and welcome to my channel. This is MyLifeFrAiur, and today I want to talk about 1080p editing. I love editing 1080p footage. Usually I like to shoot 4K videos because just how sharp it is. And I have the 4K monitor here, and 4K just look gorgeous. All the details, the smallest detail is all in there, 4K. But the problem is 4K editing is a pain in the ass. It's just very simply playback of the video itself in the editor is a pain. It's almost impossible. It's very laggy and really bad experience. You can't really do anything with 4K footage with my shitty computer, and yeah. So today I went out with a Sony A7RII with this Yongnuo 50mm f1.8 lens. I shot with manual focus just to try it out, and I don't know, it's Sunday, not so many people on the street. Yeah, so it's quiet out there, so I shot some random stuff. What is this shadow on my nose? Am I bleeding or something? What is this? Where does that come from? My glass. Oh, what is that? Anyway, I shot some video clips and then came back and edit and put them together into a video. I shot with S-Log 2, so I did some heavy color grading. Yeah, and also since it's 1080p, I have maximum freedom of editing them. I can drag anywhere I want and it never lags on the timeline. It's just awesome. It feels so smooth and fluent. It's awesome. Editing 1080p is awesome comparing to editing 4K. So I did some color grading and crop the frame to cinematic aspect ratio. And then I did some panning, zooming in and out to match the people's movement in the shot. So it looks very dynamic. Even though it's only 1080p, when you zoom in, it's gonna look ugly, but who cares? As long as you have the fancy, nice effect. What important is not how many pixels you have in the picture, is how it works together to I don't know, convey a mood or whatever, tell a story. But obviously I don't have a story to tell here, just random clips. But yeah, following the people in the shot is gonna make your video look more dynamic. Even though when I zoom in, it reduced the resolution. So yeah, that's a very nice experiment, and I really enjoyed that. And I'm gonna try to shoot more 1080p. Yeah, because I would love to edit those videos to make them really more, I don't know, valuable. You just shoot a bunch of clips and put them together as 4K, it's beautiful, it's very detailed, and very extremely sharp images, but there's no, there's no soul. You are not putting any effort in it. It's just you are recording stuff. You are a cameraman. As opposed to now, if you shoot 1080p, you edit them yourself, you put your thoughts in it, you put your soul in it, you put your personality in it. That's a total different story. And also, a lot of people watch YouTube on their phone or iPad or whatever. The screen is fairly small, and even 1080p looks really sharp. So not everyone is watching on PC, on big 4K monitor. So yeah, even I think a 1080p on 1080p monitor, it doesn't look that great, but I guess it's okay. Why isn't there a super sharp 1080p camera? I wonder why. I want that. I wish there was such a camera. Alright, that's it for today's not a vlog, and and that's it. We'll see you next time, and who knows what will bring me to the camera next time. All right,